Welcome. In front of me is an ID2ME ID1 phone, and I will show you how to access the boot mode. So we'll start by holding the power key to turn off the phone. Okay, then choose power off, and once more. Wait for the device to turn off, and once it's off, we'll hold volume up and power key. So, like so. And as you can see, now we're in boot mode. Now I'm not sure if you can see much, but the first option is recovery mode, and yeah, I can't read it really what's from where I'm looking, what's the other ones, but I think that the third one should be something like reboot the device, and probably Bootloader is the middle one, as it usually is. But yeah, and also to navigate, here you will use volume up and down, or actually no, my bad, only volume up to navigate, and confirm it with volume down. So I guess I'm gonna choose whatever the last option is and see where it takes me. And I think the phone is rebooting. So yeah, this is how you enter the boot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.